Hey, you guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the great state of Tennessee. That's right, we're down here in Tennessee. We're getting ready to do this mountain coaster behind me. Now, they're saying no filming, so we're going to see what we can get you guys. But let me flip this camera around. Let me show you this cool mountain coaster we're about to ride. Check it out. This is their very first lift hill. Takes you up, I don't know what it is, like 160 feet or something like that. I forget how many there is, but there's several lift hills here. What a great ride.
Thank you for riding the Rocky Top Mountain Coaster. Short breaks are boring. Let's go. It's so cool. Hi, Jamie.
Are coming.
Let's go fast. Woo! Oh, this is awesome. Oh, Jesus.
Oh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh, I got you. Let's go.
Thank you for riding the Rocky Top Mountain Coaster.
Oh, this is great. Woo! Oh my gosh, okay. This is sick. Aww, do we have to slow down again? Really? Oh, I know, right?
Dude, that's so fun.
Isn't it great?
I want to do this at nighttime.
Oh, me too.
Hey, next time we come, let's do this at night.
All right. I'm recording the whole thing.
Are you?
Yeah.
How'd you do that?
I have my phone on it.
Whoa! Did you go full blast just now?
This is the sickest ride ever. We're on this friggin' mountain coaster here in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. We're not really supposed to have our phones, but I know Shelby's recording in front of me. She's up there. And I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of a video of us going up this lift hill on this 9-minute long roller coaster that goes 35 miles an hour.
Here we go. Woo! Oh my god, we're like over the cars. Holy cow. Oh my god.
Here she comes. How was that? Was that awesome? You gotta keep going forward to come into the station. Atta girl. Y'all, that was epic. So friggin' epic. We had so much fun. I know it's a short video, but we weren't allowed to film, so it is what it is, y'all. Enjoy.